Republic Day parade, what are the elements from the Army Air Defense? I'm going to speak to Captain Tanishq Sharma ji, who is the contingent commander of MRSIM. Welcome to National Defense, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Please tell us about your participation in the Republic Day Parade 2026.
Here I am with the equipment MRSN, which is a medium range surface to air missile weapon system, and it is a matter of pride that I am leading my unit and at such a national level.
Not many people would not know what Army Air Defense does because people may confuse with Indian Air Force elements. So, can you please throw some light on the Army Air Defense role in the Army per se and then MRSEL?
Army Air Defense is responsible for providing area AD cover to vulnerable points and vulnerable assets. So it is really important to cater such important assets and provide an area AD cover. It provides area AD cover to the movement of the vehicles also. So while you are assembling an area for fighting purpose also, an area AD cover is required because a country with air supremacy will definitely lead and win.
So, in terms of equipment, before we come to the MRSM, what are the other equipment in the AAD, like missiles, drones?
Apart from MRSM, we have Akash weapon system in AD, we have Scala missile system, we have different various guns also like L-70, ZU, 23mm twin barrel gun.
And can you throw some light on MRSM because ultimately you are leading that contingent?
Yeah, definitely. MRSM is a medium range surface to air missile weapon system, and it is intended to provide area AD cover to the critical ground assets and to the ground forces. It is intended to provide area AD cover against hostile enemy aircrafts, Aptus, supersonic and subsonic missiles.
And I believe the MRSM was used in the Operation Sindhu.
Yeah.
That is why it is there on the Republic Day
It
Parade.
was definitely used, and it proves its worth also in operations.
And it proved lethal for.
It was, and it is a lethal equipment, and it's proved operations.
Pakistan must have learned the lessons from the MRSM, and that shows the Make in India equipment, the indigenous equipment which Indian Army now wields and uses against the enemy as and when they do something vicious against the country. So, uh, may I, with your permission, ask you about your entry into Indian Army, your career, how you began?
I am a technical entry team cadet. So I joined army in the year 2018 in Koti, Gaya. There I attended the appointment of battalion and officer, and subsequently I joined cadet training wing in 2019, and I passed out as a platoon cadet captain from cadet training wing Mau. So I commissioned into 501 AD Missile Regiment MRSN in the year June 2022, and after that I have been part of MRSN.
So, you're from the civilian background, or you already have somebody from the army?
I am a first generation officer, so I have no one as a previous background of army in my family.
So, any message for those youngsters who want to join Indian Army?
Yeah, definitely. Indian Army is an organization which provides you a way to live a life less ordinarily, as you all know that. So, all the young people who want to become men, because as you enter as a boy, and when you leave the portal of the academy, you become a man. So, it is an organization which provides you with so many facilities and opportunity to wear this uniform. Thank you.
Thank you for speaking to National Defense. So glad that you gave me this opportunity, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.